Hello friends, today we will learn how we can use FinTester software to test option strategies. FinTester is a software which shows you the nifty LTP data of each day since 1st January 2009. You can view price, volatility, Greeks, second line Greeks, strategies like butterfly, straddle, ratio, volatility spread, put call parity, calendar, etc. You can also trade on this software to test the result of your strategy and the profit and loss of your strategy. First one, the market watch window. This is the market watch window. All the strikes are given here. The middle strike is ATM strike at the money. Here you can see future price of 24 January and the change in future price on that day. This is the call LTP, change in call LTP on that day. Similarly, put LTP, change in put LTP. So it shows that on 24 January, January month maturity future was 5108, 5100 call was running at 26 rupees and it was up by 6.85 on that day. You can see here volatility and change in volatility, implied volatilities on that day. Delta, Gamma, Vega, Theta, Volga and Vana, all the Greeks are mentioned here. Butterfly, calendar and straddle strategies. Here the butterfly means 100 point butterfly, 200 point butterfly, 300 point butterfly. Ratio strategies, delta ratio, Vega ratio and price ratio. Conversion reversal strategy, put call parity and change in put call parity. Volatility spread, that is call to call volatility spread and change in it, put to put and change in it, and call to put and change in that. Open interest, change in open interest and number of contracts traded on that day. You can select any date in Market Watch since January 2009 to till date. You can hide or unhide the columns from the strategies or Market Watch from this setting form. You can unselect, like we have unselected here butterfly 200 leg. Data of all the three maturities, you can hide and unhide them. Just I can click over here and I can see the second maturity or third maturity. LTP, Greeks, IVs, open interest for call and put along with the change in them. You can select any strategy. You can just right click over there. The option will be long and short, and just by clicking on the long and short, the trade will get executed on your simulator window. You can just click over here and you can change the date. The next day and previous day will come just by clicking on these arrows. Now the second window is simulation window. Here you can buy or sell futures and options. The information is like you are getting all the strikes over here. You can add more strikes just by writing the strike price over here and clicking on add. Here you will get the LTP, maturity, the date of trade, quantity, delta, gamma, vega, theta. These are your portfolio, delta, gamma, vega, theta, Volga, Vana. Here you can see your profit and loss. If you want to see the impact of time, that if time passes what will become your profit and loss, you can just click on time +1 and time -1 and can see your change in profit. Similarly, you can view the impact of volatility by clicking on vol +1 and vol -1 button. And you can view the impact of spot price by clicking spot +1 and spot -1 button. Here, after clicking over here, when your profit and loss gets changed, this will show you that which Greek has given you how much amount. So in this question, you have got the profit of 11,500 rupee. Out of that, you have lost 311 rupee through delta. You got profit of 8,400 through vega, and you got profit from theta of rupees 3,367. So it is totaling to around 11,463. So we have tried to get the impact of different Greeks on your profit and loss. You can rewind your activities by just clicking here next and previous button. You can change the decimal settings by decimal setting form. Hide and unhide rows from here. As I told earlier, you can add new strike just by writing the strike price and click on add button. You can buy or sell call, put and future just by clicking F1 and F2 button on the strike price. F1 is for buying and F2 is for selling. You just have to write down the quantity and you can add them. So automatically it will get bought or sold. Now the third window is trends window. You can view day wise data of call and put through trend sheet. The trend sheet will show you the behavior of any strategy. Like in the given form, you can view the time one is 1st June. So your data has started from 1st June, then 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and you have selected here LTP. So these are the graph. The form is showing you the LTPs of different strikes on that day. Like on 1st June, 5500 call was running at 148.90. On 2nd June it came to 133. On 3rd June it came to 110 and gone. And again the color, this red color signifies that the price has come down compared to the previous day. Previous day the price was 148.90 and now it came to 133. That means price has gone down. That is why this color is red. And here on the 109 it gone up to 123.50, so the color is green. You can view LTP, IV, open interest, all the strategies like butterfly, 100 butterfly, 200 butterfly, straddle, strangle, change in delta, delta ratio, gamma ratio, vega ratio, open interest, change in open interest, and so on. You can select any factor through here. You can view vol spread, ratio spread, butterfly, straddle, put call parity and other strategies also from here. You can change the decimal setting just by moving this button. You can export all the data to Excel just by copying all the data and you can paste in Excel. So finally, from this FinTester software, user can view current month, next month and far month market watch on one screen. User can select or unselect the column as per his requirement. You can run the strategy on past data. All Nifty data for current month, next month and far month are available from 1st January 2009. You can trade any strategy on just one click of button. User can simulate the strategy on the basis of time, volatility or spot price. User can change decimal setting on just click of button. Simulator tracks portfolio Greeks and profit and loss on daily basis. Steps recording is available. User can rewind and forward his strategy. User can view separate calculation of impact of each Greek on P&L. View full maturity data of any strategy on one screen. Copy the data of full maturity on Excel. User can view market watch and simulator simultaneously. You can make and save your workspace. Thank you. For more information, you can connect us on www.finideas.com. Thank you.